warning about a brazen new way thieves are stealing gas as the cost of fuel skyrockets. They're drilling holes in gas tanks and draining it out. Guad Venegas has the story on how to keep it from happening to you.
It's the unwelcome sign of the times. Drivers experiencing sticker shock at gas pumps.
The rising gas prices is crazy out here.
With the national average at $4.33 a gallon, a troubling new trend is on the rise: gas theft. Crimes of opportunity now happening across the country.
Criminals are targeting unattended vehicles for gas, but they're not going in through here. Instead, they're drilling holes from underneath your car and draining your tank.
It happened to the Antonucci family in San Diego. Heidi Antonucci's husband, Rob, filmed the video.
He had just filled up his tank. There was no way that he would be an empty.
Heidi was terrified that leaking gas could lead to something worse.
Fuel plus fire plus air, creating a explosion, of the gasoline, or lighting him on fire, lighting the whole truck on fire.
Auto mechanics say it's incredibly easy to do.
It's plastic, there's no sparks, so you literally could get a drill bit this big and siphon the gas out of this tank in a matter of a minute.
And once the tank is drilled, it can't be fixed. Getting a new one could cost drivers more than $1,000, but experts say there are ways to protect yourself.
If you have a garage, park your car in the garage all the time. If you don't, try to create a space in your home with cameras, with security lights, something that's going to deter a thief.
Adding this warning: at the current gas prices, the temptation to steal for some may be too much to resist. Guad Venegas, NBC News, Los Angeles.
Still